So you're buying new construction. Congratulations. You picked out your model, you picked out your lot, and you're super excited. And then all of a sudden you get that email that says you've got to pick your design center choices. Don't panic. My name is Laura Griffin. I sell houses in the Northern Virginia, Loudoun County area, and I'm a top selling real estate agent who sells a lot of new construction every year. And don't panic. Everyone panics. Nothing to panic about. I've got some tips for you. So go around to different models that builder might have and look at the finishes and write down what model it is, what neighborhood you're in, and visit a few of them. A lot of our big builders have multiple communities in multiple areas. If you're in Virginia, you may have to go over the border to Maryland. If you're in Maryland, you might have to come over to Virginia to get an idea of some different models and different things that the builder offers. Why do I do that? Pick out different things that you like. It's a lot easier to see it big scale than it is to look at these tiny little swatches in a 2 to 3 hour appointment and you feel pressed for time. Also, if you can afford it, bring a designer with you. It is worth their weight in gold. Too often I see clients who picked wrong choices that don't go together and they really hate it and they end up renovating their house just a few years later and it costs them a lot of money. So don't make that big mistake. It's a very costly mistake when you're buying new construction. If you have any questions about buying new construction or buying any resale homes in the Northern Virginia area, I'd love to be a resource for you. My contact information is in my bio.